Finish what you start.
I don't have any doubt that I'm going to finish. It might take me a while, but people have
This is a test. This station is participating in a coordinated monthly test of the Rhode Island Operational Area Emergency Alert System. The Rhode Island broadcasters, in cooperation with federal, state, and local authorities, have developed this system to provide immediate warning information or instructions. If this had been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by official news, information, or instructions. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
Which, for the most part, is pretty nice. Just a slight chance of a shower tomorrow afternoon, but a vast majority of the day is dry, warm and humid this weekend with temperatures in the middle to upper 80s. Quick interruption tomorrow afternoon, but really not much rain, Shannon.
All right, Tony, thanks. Maury, what are we looking at tonight in sports?
Yeah, speaking of energy, Shannon, the Celtics were up 2-0 over the Sixers coming into tonight. They knew Philly was going to give them a tough chance, but the Celtics responded with good energy. We've got a loaded sports wrap coming up next.
With the Volkswagen community-driven promise, you can enjoy exciting offers. And at participating dealers, you can shop at our place or yours.
Click, call, or come by your Volkswagen dealer today and get 0% APR financing for 72 months on select 2019 and 2020 models.
Why wait, Matt?